Proving once again, you don't have to be big to be powerful. Introducing the Flexzilla Pro Mini Impact Wrench. It packs 550 foot-pounds of working torque into one of the lightest, most compact air tools on the market, letting you get into tight spaces where full-size impact wrenches just don't fit. Plus, it delivers up to 800 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque to convince even the most stubborn, rusted nuts to break free. Flexzilla features an ergonomic grip with a patented forward-reverse toggle switch and torque selector that allows easy one-hand operation. The air inlet has a built-in swivel to keep the hose from fighting back as you move around the shop. With a variable speed trigger, you can start slow or give it everything you've got. And 3 torque settings let you choose the right power for the job. Using Flexzilla Pro Air Hose and high-flow fittings, with twice the airflow of standard couplers and plugs, gives this powerful tool the air it needs to ensure best performance. Join the mini revolution. Every toolbox has room for the new Flexzilla Pro Mini Impact Wrench.